Hey guys, welcome back to another super simple guitar tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to play a beautiful song which called If the World Was Ending by Julia Michaels. Now for the basics of this song you need your guitar on standard tuning and you will need a capo on the first fret of your guitar. So put the capo on the first fret and let's jump to the lesson. Before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and comment down below what other songs would you like to learn. Let's start with the intro part. Now, hold the G position with your fingers, but take off your pinky finger and put your index finger on the first fret of the second string. And then play open on the first string. So 1 and open. Then put your pinky finger on the third fret of the second string and play the G chord. Then we are going to pluck the first fret of the second string and open. So in total the intro part will sound like this. In the verse we have C, D minor 7, F. In the F you can also use the easy version of F. Then G, again C, and A minor. Now in the first verse we don't use any specific strumming pattern and we are going to strum each chord once and hold them out for 4 beats. So the first verse will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the second verse we are going to add a strumming pattern which contains 8 down strum. Just notice this, you are going to play highlight downs a little bit harder than the rest. So our strumming pattern sound like this. Down, 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 down. Again, down, 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 down. And also we are going to play the strumming pattern once for each chord. So the second verse will sound like this. Now let's move on to the pre-chorus. Here our chords pattern changed to A minor, G, C, and E minor, and F. Now also in this part you don't use any specific strumming pattern. You're just going to strum each chord once and hold them out for 1 beat. Except the F chord, you are going to play F for 4 beats. So the pre-chorus will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now finally we get to the chorus part, which is really nice and easy. We have F, G, C, and A minor. if you don't have any problem with holding bar chords and you are familiar with them, you know that we can play the G chord in this position too. It's easier to move from F to G in this part. But if you have any problem, you can just play the regular G chord. Now here in the chorus part, we're going to add a new strumming pattern which goes down, then up, then up. Again, down, then up, then up. Also, we are going to play the strumming pattern once for each chord, and we're going to play the chorus part for 3 times. So in total, the chorus will sound like this. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you found out this lesson helpful, please share and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more super simple guitar tutorials. See you later.